Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. In today's video, we are at our grandparents' house in North Georgia. It is very cold this time of year. And
it was snowing this morning.
Yeah, it's snowing. And we are going to be fixing, or pulling out the radiator on a 2014?
2012.
2012 Nissan Murano. So, let's get into it. First step, what you need to do is you need to take the entire front bumper off. I know it sounds daunting, but it's not as hard as it looks.
No, it's 100% as hard as it looks.
Okay. Oh, we have the radiator here. And the problem was they were driving to look at a new car. And they said it overheated somehow and the radiator blew up.
No, the radiator blew up and then it overheated.
All the water, fluid, gone. So we're going to be taking this one out, replacing it with the new one. So let's try to figure this out. Okay, so where do we start?
I don't know. Well, come on now. We need y'all's help.
I see some line. Oh, yeah. They have to come help. This is our Haitian friend, Simi.
Haitian friend,
Simi.
All right, so let's start with taking this off, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. He said we could just take the
looks like off. Yeah, there's just two bolts.
Yeah, just two bolts down there.
Easy to get to, probably. Where'd you put that?
It's probably the same size as the one I was using to get the front end off.
Yeah.
Yeah, where did we put that? Okay, so what you want to do when you get the front end off, you want to try to loosen the brackets in front, everything in front of the radiator to try to take it out. Because, you know, cars nowadays, everything is just jammed into one spot. So there's a ton of stuff you have to take off. You don't have to worry about it. Actually, you do.
Yeah.
So take this off.
It's all.
Oh, is there a bolt back here?
There's one more back.
Oh, no, it's a clip. Is it coming?
Nope. It looks like you can just slide it out, though.
You can, but you have to take that one out.
No, like, she...
No, it won't come.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Mr. Simi works on this bar here. We're going to try to get all the stuff above the radiator to try to get it off.
It's starting to...
I think you're going to have to take it off. Here, where's the one you literally just had?
It's wanting to strip, Bennett. Or not.
I got the magic touch.
And I think you can just leave the wire in and just kind of dangle it up over somewhere.
Okay. Now that we've got those two things out, we're gonna keep taking
This seems
more stuff
useless.
out. What is it?
Useless piece of plastic is what it is.
It's an airflow director. Very special piece of equipment.
All right.
Okay. Now we have to take this off. So we gotta get this bolt off, get this bolt off, get this bolt off, get that bolt off, and every other bolt.
Too many bolts. This bolt. All right.
Okay.
And time lapse. And don't drink any of that.
No, chug it like it's coffee. can probably take it off on this side too and be.
There's still some water in there.
Juices.
It's interesting.
Oh, that's where you put the fluid in?
Yeah, that's the
That's
filler.
the tiniest thing ever.
All right.
Can we
All
fish it down and slide it out?
Well, we got to take all the transcooler lines off and that kind of stuff, which is going to be a lot of fun.
Peachy.
No, not at all.
Some of you people may not be able to see because our backs are in the way, but what we're trying to do is we're trying to get this whole bracket out.
Yeah.
Because it's holding, these
There we
clips
go.
are attached to the radiator.
There we go.
And here's
Now we're
some-
cooking with
yeah.
some grease.
Yeah. And we just removed like 3 bolts for that reason.
Yeah.
Just remove the
There you
clips,
go.
just like that.
Now we can slide. No, now we can't.
Good job.
We've got to take the AC off and all kinds of.
Oh, one guy said you
yeah.
had to take the condenser out, get all the fluid out
This
of
is
it.
the condenser, I think, or maybe that's
No,
condenser.
it's
I
like
don't
over
know.
here. He said he had to like get the fluid out of it
The
somehow.
Freon?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't want to do
I
that.
don't either. Because you can't just
I know
unscrew
we
it. You have
just
to like
take
get a
this
special
clippy
thing.
thing off. Somehow. We'll get to that in a second. Alright, well, that.
Oh, Harrison,
What?
it's just stuck by a pipe.
Yeah.
Here. So
No,
I'll
there's
remove
all kinds
that.
of other AC lines.
I'll spend my time removing all that. Okay, so we got got these clips off. So now I'm gonna try to remove the hose that's right behind it. If you take this clips off, it's just right there. So it looks like that goes straight to there, which goes straight into the radiator. Do you understand what I'm doing?
No.
Get out of the camera's view. What I'm trying to do, girls, I'm trying to get this hose off of this thing. So and it's connected to the radiator. So when we pull it out,
right here.
I pulled it down.
Yeah, we got that
We
already.
pulled it down a lot.
Oh, and it didn't come off.
No, it did. It didn't come off, but we just moved it. That's our grandfather, guys.
All breaks, remember?
Ooh, it's got some. Might need to replace these hoses too. Look
Putting
at
this back together might be a tomorrow job.
I don't really want to do anything tomorrow.
Putting this back together might be a tomorrow job.
Harrison, it's like 12 today. It's like 12 right now. How do you crack a rubber hose, Harrison?
Very easily.
You're not making luck.
You did it, didn't you?
Looks like it rotted. But yes, I did. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, I shot the screw in there. Okay, so in theory it should come out, but we're not going to worry about that.
Now I just gotta figure out how we get the radiator out, not the AC cooler thing.
Oh, great. Now I got to remove holes. Hold this.
Yeah, I think this thing needs to come out so we can get that thing out.
Doesn't. No, it doesn't.
You see this? It's like one piece.
Yeah.
It goes
So if you
behind
move
the
it,
radiator.
it's all of it.
Oh, okay.
Not just that.
It connects the fan. If we get this, Mr. Simi, if we get this out, then these,
This?
yeah, if we get this out, it's blocking. That's causing these to be stuck in there. So if we move this, then it should come out, and it's held together by some clips. Ah, got it. Okay, so that should come loose now. Oh, there's one more down here. I got it. There we go. We're just gonna break a couple pieces of plastic. Okay, so now that that's out, we can get to this a little better. And this should, yeah. So we found so there's two radiators. I think the front is for the AC and the back is for the actual radiator. We're trying to replace the back one. And we have to get the front one out first. So we had to undo clips here and on the other side too.
Am I getting this headlight out all in vain?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know.
Well, at least you know how to get headlights out.
All right, y'all, just a little update. We got the radiator out, and man, was that a bear. So we're about to drop the new one in. This AC thing was half of our issue, getting it unclipped.
Well, guys, it's the next day. As you can see, we got it all back together. We put some coolant in it, and she's running fine. I mean, fan's going, I can hear it. All the lights and the bumper is back in. Running like a sewing machine.
Like, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.
Okay, sign us off, Harrison.
Like, subscribe, click the little bell icon, video right here.
No, just stop right there. Just stop right. No, just stop right there. You failed. You failed miserably. You failed miserably.
Blooper. Light.
Girl, I'm gonna break your phone.